In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit cinematic urban. We'll use CapCut for this walkthrough, and you can follow along on either the web version or the mobile app. The goal is to give your urban footage a moody, filmic feel that's consistent and stylish without getting complicated. Start by opening CapCut. If you're on the web, head to the CapCut site and sign in. If you're on mobile, just launch the app. The interface may look slightly different across platforms, but the tools we'll use are the same, so you won't miss a beat. Create a new project and choose the 16:9 aspect ratio. This widescreen format is a classic cinematic frame and works perfectly for YouTube and most desktop viewing. Picking the aspect ratio before you begin helps you avoid awkward cropping later. If your footage is already widescreen, you'll be right at home. If it isn't, CapCut will letterbox or fit it automatically based on your settings. Now add your video. Import your clip into the project library, then drag it onto the timeline. Give it a quick scan to make sure the start and end are clean, and trim any extra bits you don't need. If CapCut prompts you to match the project settings to the clip, go ahead and confirm so your resolution and frame rate stay consistent. A tidy timeline makes the color work easier and ensures your look applies evenly. Next, open the Filters panel. On desktop, you'll usually find it in the left or top toolbar. On mobile, look for it in the bottom tools. Filters let you apply a stylized base grade quickly, which is exactly what we want for a cinematic urban vibe. You can hover or tap to preview how each filter affects your footage before committing. From the filter options, choose Chestnut Fluff. This look adds a warm, slightly muted tone with gentle contrast. Great for street scenes, concrete textures, and night lights. Apply it to your clip, and then adjust the intensity slider to taste. Subtlety goes a long way here. Easing the effect to somewhere in the middle typically keeps skin tones natural while preserving that cinematic mood. If your project has multiple clips, make sure the filter is applied to each one, or stretch it across the full timeline so the look remains consistent from start to finish. That's all you need for a polished, cinematic urban grade in CapCut. You've set the right frame, added your footage, opened the Filters panel, and dialed in Chestnut Fluff for a cohesive filmic finish. Rewatch any section if you need to fine-tune and enjoy the transformation.